welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. And a big winaka bakalebu to... What are you eating, my brother?
I'm eating my saliva.
The Messi is eating his false teeth.
False teeth, eh? Very good morning. Hey, for those of you coming from Corvo to Nosori, one accident there.
Who's?
Right now.
Right.
In Lakena,
Oh.
3 cars involved. 3 cars.
Ui.
One in the river now. And 2 is somewhere around beside the road.
Yes,
So
yeah.
if you see the queue there, go slowly because there is an accident at Lakena right at the moment.
Hey, dinga karon ng Ramitolili,
Right.
careful of this slippery road.
Right.
Wakakira Nandraki.
Right.
Don't make sure to go. Please follow the road rules. Wherever you're tuning from this morning.
Yeah.
We say good morning to all the students out there. Last day of school today. It's a short week though.
Yeah.
But anything may tell you bully Singapore City. We
Right.
can nang bully.
Of course.
Son nangoni bully. Siyempre ito ko sila kami balitira.
Right.
Kita usah kita kami kan go weekend na tumbu-tumbu.
Yeah.
Ano nita bibira lubenta.
Doon po kami nakasaranga.
Mel Netherlebu, good morning and the family. This is a blessed Friday today.
Right.
You can see the weather is not unfortunate.
No.
It's cloudy.
Continuously.
It's rainy.
Right.
Be careful of the kids. We can see the photo from Sambeto in Nendi.
Right.
The rise of the flooding
Right.
due to heavy rain there. And also to everyone joining this morning because this weather
Yeah.
is all over Fiji.
Right.
Be careful of your movement from one place to another.
Right.
Think of yourself.
Right.
What you have been planning today. Some of us from the boost.
Yeah.
Now, we will cross the big river.
Right. Terus up.
You can see the river.
River to river.
You go to the farm.
Right.
You come back. Sometimes already flooded.
Bakon dua.
Right.
Tira saranga.
Plan yourself nicely.
Stay in the farm.
Sometimes
Iya.
you see the rain does not happen in your farm.
Right.
Bono.
Up.
But the rain is from the up.
Yeah.
Then coming down. You can
Right.
see the level of the water is very rise quickly.
Right.
Be careful, not
Yeah.
only that because many of us, our village is down
Right.
to the mainstream, the Ngusuniwai.
Right.
So every
Yeah.
river
Yeah.
is coming from top. If
Right.
raining from top,
Right.
sometimes it's sunlight in our area.
Iyo. To the bottom.
The level of the water is coming up fastly
Right. Yeah.
because
Yeah.
of the raining come on top.
Of the action.
Yeah.
All right. Ya benar kita beri nalu tu bukan naman tabira na bingkar betul lebih hotel mana sesemara.
Right. To all the not the company,
Hotel workers.
to all the hotel workers.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for being there, for being support of your support the people come there. Eh?
Right.
You are the father, you are the mother
Right.
of the people there.
Mother drink.
Because
Iyo.
you and your people coming there,
Alright.
you serve them,
Yeah.
you give them food,
Right.
you give them blanket,
You are Fiji to them.
you are Fiji to them.
Right.
But we are thankful for your company, your smiling,
Right.
to the receptionist of every department. Thank you very much.
Right.
Be careful of your services.
You the number one.
You the number one because you the first one
Yeah.
who will show
Right.
the company is.
Right.
Yeah.
Kemuni na ibata kile na
You show
na
the
binaka
company
Yeah.
to them with your company.
with the company of a smiling company. Because the only thing that
Iyo.
that welcome them
Right.
is you, the receptionist.
Right.
Especially the smile.
The smile.
Yeah.
When you smile,
Yeah.
we class, we want to sleep on the cuff. On the couch. Yeah.
On the couch in front of the receptionist.
Where?
Where?
There. Bila senia titili taman ito pulang bola menaka. You know, Cito Lutu. Ano menaka may luwo ay baroto ngoy nandi sa luwo mbua.
Kita masih bantu tak matango. Bikam ni kita receptionist sa hotel.
Okay.
Kau nanti dan rekina nang nisa nang kumakina.
Right.
Oh bola sa diutimba.
Sometime to all the receptionists, dear receptionist.
Right.
Sometime when you feel smiling,
Right.
I nearly passed away.
And
Yeah.
they said, Isa, it's very good for you to pass away.
Who's?
Them. Hey, John Kumar, laughing. I saw you sharing one video of John Kumar a few days ago.
Hey, I can see. I thought it.
They becoming closer.
Oh, yeah, okay, right.
I thought that come closer, man. Rabun. I can see the John Tumar. It's like no backbone.
Oi,
He look like a ill. Katungan nanduna.
who's?
Him. Katungan nanduna. John Kumar, thank you for the talent.
What
Don't
talent?
ever bury a talent. Kunin bulutan mo talent.
Right.
I see you on the movement. Alistik kalak kahui. Yeah. I see him. John Kumar, you segi.
Yeah.
You boleh kata limnya tamang ko.
naitalo ni 1-0 po boten liver kila. Iya, na walis. Wasitu di besok. Wasitu nakabitukuni. Bata kini ka me kan. Na na Fijian massage de mesit.
Okay.
Na tawa do tani kida Fijian massage.
Right.
RV massage do style massage no da burubura.
Right.
Why is Fijian massage the best?
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
The Fijian massage are the best because
Yeah.
there are only women participating.
Okay, sir.
Fijian
Lebu
massage.
nga na massage itu masih massage
So,
lama.
massage udah ibali.
Oh, iya.
The Fijian bombo.
Oh, Fijian
Fijian
Mombo.
Mombo, yeah.
Fijian Mombo because it's a given therapy.
Right.
Maka Indonesia loko ya.
Right, go.
Some of us,
Yeah.
we are using this because it was given by our forefather.
Yeah.
Oi.
Yeah.
Pero nung tumbu-tumbu, it's
Right.
like a
So, sama
generation.
yung kaki na making money machine now.
Yeah, if you are making money, you can feel there is no power. Saka sayali sa mana.
Right.
Na mana sayali. Because money is there. Because money is a root of evil.
Right.
So don't come to work.
I come talk because of the bill.
Okay, so the Fijian bombo is the best.
The best. Because
Yeah.
Fijian Mombo,
Yeah.
when you squeeze at the back,
Yeah. You can
Fijian-
feel in front.
you can feel in front. This is a true shot.
Yeah.
When you massage at the back,
Yeah.
you can feel in front.
Okay. When you massage the front?
When you massage the front,
Yeah.
you can feel the breeze.
Yeah, masih ada serem, boy.
Yeah,
Serious?
because massage.
Yeah.
The only lucky thing about Fijian massage,
Yeah.
because you massage someone,
Yeah.
not only with your hand.
Yeah.
Sometimes you use your toenail.
Okay, okay.
Butuh ka?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You tiptoe.
Yeah.
Like
Taking.
planting cassava.
Bukan pelanting kasaba.
Planting kasama membisi ya.
Kaya. Para man tapi Mustafa.
Mustafa. Good morning, Mustafa. Yang ramai nak kalau menitik. Mustafa is asking.
Kaya,
Where
double
is
force.
your gift?
4461.
Where's your gift? Where's the gift?
Glass.
Yeah, where?
It's here into my bag.
Okay.
Tara merasa nasara.
Okay.
Please.
You keep on talking.
Okay, we nak make okay. A few yesterday,
Yeah.
Demes went to Valileu.
Right.
The nursing station.
Wale le buana buni bol.
Valileu Health Center. Mereka baru kemana batch.
Kalau
And he met Mustafa. So
Mustafa.
Mustafa always watched the Ouch Palangi and
Yeah.
Right. He called them and said, hey, may tao come here. This
Yeah.
is my gift to you.
Right.
We always wear this in the Middle East.
Right.
Bato kaya ex-soldier.
Okay, okay.
Nung sando kata-kata na singa,
Iyo.
yung intar na matilulong.
Ah,
Please.
Ayo.
Put
Chilo,
on the-
chilo. Boy, you can feel his truth. Endina.
When I see you,
Endina.
like all of a sudden, when I see
Kachi,
you,
boy, kachi.
you look like you're tutua.
Endina sarang endina.
Eh?
I can know. Malumu and very very decorative. I can see you now. You two becoming female. The only massage is good is a Waimanu apartment hotel.
Where?
Waimanu apartment hotel.
Oh, that's where that glasses always go, eh? Wait, you look like you're tutua sarang.
Wait.
You look different, Demes. You look
Different.
cool.
Eh?
Yeah.
With that glass.
Iyo,
Okay, tell us
Yeah.
what you can see, what you see.
Mustafa, thank you very much.
Yeah.
This is a glass that they use in the
Bottles.
sand dunes,
yeah.
na binukubula.
Right, right.
So when we go, I bought on the taxi
Yeah.
from Balilebu,
Yeah.
going home.
Right.
The fella was talking, laughing. Mustafa from Nayabu in Wainbuka. Then the fella give me this one.
Right.
This is to bear to
Befruit.
fruit ko rin na bunikam. Sangka tunok.
I'm very worried about you, my brother.
He's watching now.
Eh?
Mustafa.
Eh? What?
Yeah, oh Mustafa Sorbarua,
Yeah.
Abdullah.
Yeah.
Royana. I'm very worried about you.
Yeah.
Who's?
Use.
Okay, come.
Because,
Yeah.
you know, the family, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eh?
Balada.
What?
Balada.
I'm very worried. This afternoon,
Yeah.
the Ndendragamething will be different.
Different.
Yeah.
A glass different of Ndendragamething.
Okay.
thank you.
Last question.
Okay, come.
Saya satu orang, andra menaka.
Okay.
Muksin yara.
O just kani taruh ke dem sa matay
Mike,
comments
Mike.
sa matanon ta out palang show.
Right.
If cats
Iya.
could talk,
Iya.
what would be the most annoying thing
Yeah.
they'd complain about? Kaya kami daw bos, pero daw bos ano bus.
Right.
Tukun man daw na kasen daw na tu bos, daw buta was sama.
Iya.
And daw daw complain.
And how their voice and their voice. Iya. Okay. Okay.
Randau baroko bera keda na manu the only respectable ways they talk.
Yeah.
Randau bos kene weekend dan dorong atan andamon in a very humble,
Kita
emotional.
kasar nga ron tayo lo ni lola ma.
Iya.
Right.
Baka nangoni.
Iya.
Sama gitu.
Right.
On to kami lingan, right?
Iya. Lingan action please action.
Ambui nak baka mengga pinto lagi.
Iya. Iya. Dapat tukun juga.
Nirsa baka kamera wenda na katangan eh.
Iya. Gori.
Ra wenda katangan kon dorong ata bale buna be imbil ni koro.
Oh ya.
Para to satu kaya oyau.
Iya.
Oyau. Sau mileo sumo yang bunyi kon melo mo ko ka lewa.
Iya.
Kaya
Sarang na dodge.
bayu ti kaya ni.
Iya.
Nabi tenay imbil itu melo mani be kawo katangane.
Iya.
Iya.
Oh,
Sema-
bener kan? Oi, kau mesti liu.
O te mendora ngona pero so kay bosa mai.
Enak.
Iya, but okay, ndalo manira. Ndalo manira na manu-manu. Like the animals because one day
Iya.
because without them they can sense anything
Right.
in the house.
Iya.
Iya, sir.
They are the nature.
Iya.
The only thing that can feel before the campus,
Right.
before everything is the nature itself.
Yeah.
The animal nimbernya tanda kan ridir na manu sabuka.
Iya.
Because they can sense.
Yeah.
Love them to
Yeah.
sense you
Right.
what is coming.
Don't know Dems.
Saya,
Dems he was a pussycat before.
Iya.
Ata bonggor na mata sere.
Wasa pussycat dia pussycat kan di kau.
Hey.
Binabale punca celebrating 90 years.
Apa bu?
Tangi juga na busi ni bulu-bulu.
Sini dulu. Nabakan re sada-sada.
Bila betul dia main rabina ka, bina bale sara, bina bale buna be manden de chu. Kalau kata chiko Eleanor Elesi baka usa, baka sau, sorry. Dia rabina ka. Wani ni bina tia di mekem ni tangan ni maru takana na tapi ni rabaki. Lewera oda tu no rabaka sama. Ersana numatu na taka bina no seberni ochi. Bina lagi bokochi na mutaka ni kon. Den manda smile manda. Gaya lagi karabana no mita.
Ada yang bola bikin na makata le plita ka ver no monito kani.
Right.
Keto mata rumbut siko sento era rotsiko.
Right.
Plita manda wa mer ngoda tangi di busi.
Right.
Iya.
Nikito sa tangi juga ni bikin da todo.
Wili.
Daun den daw tangi na busingo.
Iya.
Ini satangi.
Iya.
Marengeta.
Yeah.
Kabunaw takayani.
Iya. Da boleh besar bil lesenia.
Nah, kebenak.
Orang bil baki. Oh, tai heru.
Kalau ngata.
Pusi ni way manu apartment.
Iya.
Nai nugia ta bali suwa her binaka.
Kau nak teman ni pusya?
Iya.
Le buka yale mai kandabu.
Kau dah lu ben kau.
Do so biti gulgulan. Nata betul kan?
Nanggulong-gula.
I never come there. So, alright, maru chuna bola. Ora di binaka na bukuning karabitabi,
Right.
di binaka na lubenda. And the customs go and wabule besuba.
Dombula.
Di ulila kamba. Kita usah pakai nunu binaka.
Right.
Waktu mundu.
Kau mika galo pula.
Enggo tande